Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a batch file. A batch file is a script file in DOS in Microsoft Windows. It consists of a series of commands to be executed in the CMD, and it is stored in the plain text format. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to automatically open multiple tabs in Chrome browser. For example, in day-to-day life, we'll be using certain websites like WhatsApp, Facebook, Netflix, Gmail, all the stuff. So instead of opening a Chrome browser and then typing it one by one, or opening it from your bookmark one by one, you can just double tap on the single file, which will automatically execute a command to open all the windows which you wanted to open, which means all the tabs which you want to open. So let me show you how to do that. I'm opening a notepad. In this nothing but this command is very simple to explain. So the set browser is executing a browser exe file, which is to open the browser application, and in this major part is this is the one, these two lines. So what it refers to is like, this refers to the tab which has to be opened in your browser. So for, let's say for example, here I have mentioned WhatsApp and as well as Netflix. Not only WhatsApp and Netflix, you can add any tab, meaning any websites which has to be opened automatically. So in this example, I'm using only two. If you want, you can use multiple n number of tabs to be opened according to your computer specification. So as you can see, this command is typed now, meaning the notepad file. So this, again, now what you have to do is like go to file and then click on save as. So as I told you before, you have to save the file in the BAT format. So by default, all the things will be in the text format, meaning it will select the text format file option. So in our example, we have to change to BAT file format. So for that, we have to just go to this save as type option, and if you click on this drop down icon, you'll have another option called all files. Just click on all files and it will ask for the file name, and as I mentioned before, you have to save this as a BAT format, .bat format, which is very simple. Let's say for example, you can give any name. So I'm giving routine1.bat. So as I told you before, we have to use a file extension called .bat, which is a extension for this batch file. So nothing else has to be changed. Just click save. So now as you can see, this batch file is created now.